Hey, it's Tyler and Tyra. This is our first YouTube channel, and we are going to be making slime. With the ingredients are this clear Elmer's glue and Tide laundry detergent. So let's get started. Oh yeah. Let me put the slime. Let me put some Elmer's glue in it. Okay. Yeah, that's alright. That's it. And let's pour some in here. Here, can you pour some Tide for me? I mean Tide. Thank you. You got some? So, don't we need something to do this with? Like some spoon or something? We don't have to. But today we're gonna get kind of messy, so we're gonna stir with our fingers. So let's go. It feels so freaking weird.
I know. Hey, look at how my slime turned out.
It's like forming. That's like forming like right now.
That's disgusting. Girl wants them white cowboy boots. Cowboy boots. I don't know what I'm saying. I haven't made goo in a long time.
And then we're just gonna knead it until it gets perfect. So let's keep kneading. Tyra, you have to pick it up and knead it like me.
Knead it? Can I just go like this to knead it?
No. You have to do two hands.
Oh, come on, man.
Oh. I'm just gonna. Mine is actually turning gooey.
I'm just gonna knead it like this. Needle it.
I'm just gonna get some here.
Can you please like help me out? This is becoming sticky. And bad for me.
It's like really perfect.
This is bad on my part. Tyler, help me.
Just keep playing with it and
come in clutch.
Tyra, you don't know how to do it. This is actually the first time I'm ever made slime. Second time that he's ever made slime. Actually, let's put some in here.
Oh man.
Actually, let's put some on his because his is actually kind of sticky. Well, not kinda, it is. And put a little bit.
Dang, my hand's dying. My fingernails are like, help me, please. I'm drowning.
That's just my dad, but.
Where's Johnny Rancher? Can I get a Johnny Rancher?
Tyler,
We don't have Jolly Ranchers.
We do, Mom got some. Oh, back. Hey, nobody can no Johnny Ranchers now.
Don't mind him.
Tyler, can you help me?
Yes.
Don't mind my crazy family. I like to be crazy.
Our family is crazy, but we love it.
I know.
Actually, we are going to be vlogging on the next time that we go to Wet n Wild or
what are y'all doing? Using all the rust, so y'all don't want those clothes clean up. Doesn't make this shit. And my new bows too, you guys are fucking up. That's why I wouldn't want to buy nothing for y'all. Y'all fuck it all up anyway. Who makes slime in a bowl that we eat
All
out?
I gotta do is
it comes off like super easy.
I know, man, but it's not supposed to be in there. You're supposed to have a raggedy plate you can do that shit with. Chemicals on that shit. They don't tell you that part on the nose. On the Q-tip.
Hi, my little wonk wonk. Where's all that glue you made? Didn't you make enough freaking glue?
Yeah. I sold them.
Well, where's the money at?
Well, I'm selling them.
You're a liar.
I am. They're still in my
Where's the money? We need the money.
I didn't get none.
Remember she
This
brought
family's
Chinese food.
crazy.
Do not mind.
This video would have
I
a
know.
viewer
You don't
advisement.
know it at night, dude.
Please do not mind. Okay, I'm dead.
Comment and subscribe and like. Definitely comment on what you want.
Us to do next, like in the 4 overnight challenge.
He's happy.
Cause it's Friday today. Friday get lit.
Yeah.
Yep. Lickety lit. Or have a dance battle.
I thought we had done right there, I miss those days. I miss those days right there now. I need them.
Oh my god.
They didn't see it.
Okay, can we take at least 15 seconds to go wash our hands? I'm gonna take 15 seconds to wash my
Hold
hands.
on.
So,
You know all you have to do is this.
wait up, you guys. We're
No.
Who did?
Go wash your hands.
Who do? Who
Oh
do?
my gosh. Look at my hands, you guys.
Let me see.
Drinking?
It's because you
They
said
need your
Help me
company.
out, please.
They need your company. too,
Not
though.
the
That's all.
tolerance.
But it
that
ain't how you
yodeling
drink there,
kid, like, I don't know,
Yodel?
though. Yeah, you
needs
gonna-
to be stopped.
I know, you're going to be the life of the party, right?
Yodeling. Like, all I
You
do is
loud.
yeah.
Like you
Like
tell us
that.
to be quiet, your headache, you become a headache then when you get home.
How stupid.
When you get home, you're like, oh.
Stupid.
Just calm down.
Hey, go check that video out. Thank God.
You gotta wait for me and I can't. That bird don't count.
Just calm down. That shit is good.
Okay,
But yeah.
Close your eyes.
So we're about to add the slime. Oh no.
Oh.
woof.
I'm just kidding.
You like that then.
Okay, I'm
You
about to
got
add the
somebody else to have of
slime
it.
into this balloon.
Okay, can we take at least like 15 seconds to go wash our hands, please?
Somebody come turn the
You
TV up.
take 15 seconds. I'm gonna be
All right, Dad.
Please.
with the vans.
Okay, see you later.
Gross, man. Now you could have ate
That
that
did not work.
motherfucker in.
But
Ate some food.
I was.
You eat too fast, too hard. You eat like you're hungry every time, though. You gotta eat regular. It's too slow. Stop eating this shit like that. It's no, it's good at the time, but you can't just let it make
Tyler
you
took
keep
your
going
leg.
to your body and get stoned,
What's up, dog?
though.
Come
You're just
back.
overeating, man.
everywhere.
And I just washed my hands. They're looking
Just
way
stop
better
doing
now.
that, 'cause that's not good for your inside.
Oh, I have to get on my
Taking
dress.
emotions,
Who
too?
cares?
Bro,
It'll mess up your lion.
you guys have to go over
You gonna
to
be
Just
blaming me for it.
Destiny's channel.
I'm gonna hear now.
That stuff will have you dying for like 2 days.
Yeah.
Go subscribe to that channel, please.
And if you guys do not know Jacksepticeye,
Please go subscribe to me.
Yeah,
too.
And please
And comment down below which one is better at Fortnite, Night or Kiwi Ninja? Yeah,
Or
Ninja or Ollie.
Never mind about that, but this video has a lot of viewer discretion.
Yes.
And this is a live video
Hey, you
too.
guys, where's the manager?
Oh my god, she's in the garage.
Time.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Hello? Y'all don't hear me?
Huh?
Where's the manager?
Hey, she's sitting in the car,
Oh.
waiting with the garage open.
What's if you don't leave?
I know, we can hear.
Alright. I was stupid.
That baby left alone.
I'm just playing with my slime right now.
And I'm just getting this.
Let's put it in the. I'm gonna put mine into the balloon now. I am the best balloon putter inner in the world. Look at, I'm like, pull up in a minute, then I.
But yes, this video is actually live.
Hey, you guys, turn that to wait like 15 minutes.
What? Tell the 180 what?
Tell her to wait like 15 minutes.
Okay.
My food is out there.
Good time.
Stuck to my finger, bro. Stickity stones. Blows.
And this is how much.
Oh, this is going terrible.
Look, this is how much slime I have just right now. Because I put most of it in the balloon.
Oh, this is going terrible for me.
And I'm going to try to make a bubble. I made one.
How do you guys be making them bubbles? Can you put this in my balloon, bro? I'm getting tired of this.
One is like really pokey.
Yo, Tyler, can you just put this in my balloon before I freaking flip?
Okay,
so you're holding my hand.
You hold the balloon exactly like this. Here, that's it's funny the way you hold it. All of it?
Yeah.
Or
like, leave like a little
like that?
Yeah.
That's for you. That's for you.
Oh my Jesus Christ.
I think it's like, yeah, come on. It's about to get.
She's gonna put it in my balloon. I have to hold this balloon open. Please put that in.
How you gonna eat ice cream?
Jesus Christ, thank you. Thank you, Tyler. Tyler is the master slime maker, bro. I put that on my life. Seriously. I'm serious. My whole soul. Thank you. Hey, leave it down in the comments. What do you think we should do next?
Yeah, I don't even know.
We just started this YouTube channel. Oh, you're gonna be seeing some lit videos. Oh, I was about to curse.
It's alright.
My bad, y'all. But yeah, you will see some very lit videos. I was about to curse again.
Yeah, just stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
Okay.
And this is his stress.
Hey, can you help me? You said stop and get some help.
Look at this is Tyrone.
Hey, that's how I play with my
compared
slime.
to mine. Look at mine and then look at Tyrone's.
And this is what it's made out of. I put all my slime like this.
And then slowly the chicken make it.
Mess it up. That was weird though.
Come on, we're about to play with our slime.
Let's put it closer.
Just so that you guys
Stress ball.
see.
Stress ball. Look at it.
Rock, paper, stress ball, slime.
What?
Look at I just made this up. Rock, paper, stress ball, slime. He had stress ball. I won.
What the f is that?
I don't know. I just made it up.
I'm gonna use this when I'm stressed. I'm gonna be like,
Come on, just stop.
I'm gonna be like, oh my god, bro. I'm about to punch that dude in the face, bro.
And then
Put that on my life.
like this is like so squishy. Like you don't understand. We actually added some activators, so
Activator. So,
I don't know if you guys seen, but
we should end this video here, huh?
yeah, and then we are going to make
The porta fort.
Yes, it's called the porta fort, and we made a fort, and we are going to be there
Probably
all
next
the
video.
way until 3 a.m. and we're going to be doing some weird stuff, so not like that, but like crazy. So
We're gonna be doing.
let's get to it.